everything out of my bathroom because I gotta go upstairs and cut away the, I'll probably be doing some from down here, but I gotta cut away the rest of the ceiling that's above this. It's all plaster and lath. And every time I do it, it rains down here, so. It rains, plaster and lath and dust, so I took everything out of here. Let's go upstairs. All right, here we are in my upstairs bathroom. The hole we cut away for the shower. And right where I want to put the drain lands right on the wall for that living room, which is taking a bit of load because my bathroom downstairs, the outside wall is here. Well, they removed that wall. So there's no, the load's either going that way onto the kitchen wall, or I think everything's going on this, trying to go this way. Hence everything in this side of the house is sagging. So really can't notch that technically. You can get a low profile drain, and this is 2 inches. So if I just bring the floor up a little bit, I can hopefully sit the drain right there, but then I still have to notch these, or technically go through them, ideally, because I'm trying to get to the drain over there. Now I don't have my drop ceiling is about, that's it down there. So that's a good foot. So I could go under the beams. That's what the correct thing to do would be that, and then go to the stack. But that means going lower on the stack, putting in a union. That's a lot of work. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm up against here. But my beams run this way. My rafters, I should say, which is odd because the peak is like this. You know, triangle, typically rafters go this way because the triangle's constantly trying to push down and out. For some reason they built this with the rafters running this way, so it's not ideal, but they're not long run. I feel like the foundation is only just past here. Let's see, the end of the roof is right there. You can see it. So it's not a huge span. It's probably a perfect square. Maybe that's why they did it. But anyway, I'm trying to cut away this stuff so I can see what we have to do to get pipes. And what is this electrical going to? That's what I want to know. I don't want to cut that. All right, let's do some sawing. I'm trying to get a lot of it off of my ceiling down there so that when I drop those panels, I don't make a mess. Yeah, right. So far, a little bit of crap comes down. I gotta get more down. It's gonna be easier from down here. Let's see what we can see. Cling, clang. This piece comes out here. Let's do that. Move out of here. It would help if I had the same angles. So the house is that way behind me. The exterior wall of the main house is here. They took it away to put in this bathroom. So this is a load-bearing wall that they've removed. Big mistake. So this is the exterior wall taking, I assume, that load now. The rafters run this way. And the house is sagging here because this is missing. And in the basement, there's no wall there. The wall is over here. So, it's got some structure that they've compromised. And for us, let's see. I want to put my bathroom drain right there. And the wall is further over. That next gap, that's the wall. It's taking load, but there's no load bearing wall underneath it. Here's the original tub drain. So I was trying to do, you know, and it shoots that way to the stack. So I was trying to just follow this run here. So let me get rid of this plaster and lath that's left right here. Maybe that section too. That'll give us a good visual. I may be able to just, I'll cut them over here. That way I can just pry them down. Yeah.
This is all nest, I think. I'm finding like leaves and shit. That's not good. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Fire starter. Anti-fire starter. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so we got an open junction box. At least it's taped. That one, the white one. What's going on with that one right there? Am I looking? I don't have my glasses on. Is that just bare wire? Oh my God. Hackery. What's this? Oh, we just capped that off over here. Now that's going down to this switch, this mystery switch. It has power to it. This one maybe is going to the light. The new light. The new light is, yeah, the new light is this. This is going off maybe to this old light, which really should not be there either. All right, well, there's my stack. That's what we're trying to get to. It wouldn't be that hard, maybe. Can you hear me? All right, you ready for this? Yeah, of course it's live there. All right. Yeah, so this exposed wire is live. Oh, now we're working. It's this. How could this be coming out of there and not be live? I don't know. How about this one? Huh. This one just taped off over here. You're live too? No, it's picking up this. This tester sucks. This is going to that light. It has to be live. This light right here. That's yeah, that's live. Great. This beam. I'm like, what's this doing? Oh, it's just floating there. It's not doing anything. It used to be notched and sitting. Is there another? There's no evidence of a beam here. Maybe it was recycled from somewhere else. Let's try that again. Maybe we'll get it on the lens. Right, this is live. Goes down, I think, to that switch. This comes from that switch. Alright, this lower switch is live. And it's just this wire. I guess for future reference, they wanted to do that? I don't know. Yeah, that's going to be cleaned up. That is live all the time. And this beam, this is basically, looks like they made a, this is their attempt to make a post because they took away the wall, which is more, I think, here. That was their attempt to hold this whole structure up. I mean, it's doing it, but I don't know.
All right, this is a great tool to have. My dad has this, a circuit tester. When I plug this unit in the outlet, we go down to the circuit box, breaker box, and we figure out which circuit this is, because nothing's labeled down there. All right, so what we do is we come down to mine, and let's see. We turn this on, hold it so that maybe you could see, and then we just oh, I bet it's that one. This is different. Basement sub panel. Wait a minute. Oh no, the sub panel's mine. Okay. I was thinking they put. I think it's more the sub panel. All right, that makes sense. Let's kill that. Sub panel we're talking about is over here in the laundry room. So I probably could do. Yeah, I probably could have just killed it here, actually. Yeah, let's do that. Let's label. Yeah, same test over here. That'll tell us exactly which circuit it is. I think it's this one. Stronger. Yeah. Let's try that, and then we'll label that with the Brother P-Touch. That's both outlets. We're going to label that circuit outlets. But this, we still got power. So I want to find that one. This house needs interior basement access. This is a long way. Unfortunately, that tool will not help us in this situation because that's a light switch. So we just have to go eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Actually, I could probably look. This is going over the rusty leaking over to my, well, no, it's MC cable, isn't it? all that crap is MC cable. So I don't think, yeah, it shouldn't be coming from here, right? It would be coming from this other crap. I could be wrong. Yeah, there it is. See, there's the MC cable going up. Toilet's right here. So this is it. Comes over, goes that way, and probably comes along this wall, or looping way down for some dumbass reason. And gets lost in the madness, and it's got to be one of these on this side. Surge, basement lights, could be any of these. So let's just work our way down. All right, I already screwed that up. It said light at the beginning. That's going to screw everything up. So we want just to say bath outlets. And I just found the other one for the bathroom light. So we're going to clear. No, clear, just text only, sure. Okay, so now we want to say bath. It's probably, I want to look up, I'm just going to put light, but you're probably supposed to write switch, and I should have wrote bath receptacle to be proper, but this is the way to go. People scribble in things on, it's such a mess when you go down your box. And this one came out huge for some reason, but that's okay. Put it up top as opposed to over here, because people just get confused. You know, you open that up and like, okay, well, you put it on this side, that means it's here. We don't need confusion. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bam. All right, we verified this circuit is dead. Let's see what this is. What is this mess? Did you initially tie in here to do some hackery? Oh my God. So is this just a bare wire under here? It's gotta be. It's solid black. And they tied in a little small section to go to there. And what is this? Same thing, they did a hackery. Right, and went to there. Why not just put this right to there, right to there? I mean, it's not like you are, it's too short. I need people. People. All right, so this goes to our LED, to the switch. This is that a green? It's ground? Okay, that's being grounded. I thought that was just capped off. And then this is to that switch. And it's just up here live. Okay. At least it's tied off, and this one's kind of needs to be addressed better. Hackery. Do you know Zachary? Zachary the Hackery. And I don't like this stuff over here either. Just hanging out. Should just make that a junction box. What in the automotive mechanic world is going on here? So the guy cut and soldered to this, made a wire coming off he's not using anyway. And I'm sure that's what's going on under here too. Come on, automotive guys. This is embarrassing. We don't do this. No, even I know that. If it looks hackery, it is hackery. The other thing I didn't even mention is it's not going into the box. They have it drilled and loose. There's plenty of slack, I can do it. Because it's just looped up here. Well, actually, I might even come down here with it. And tuck it up in the box, secure it. That way the sleeve, this is your ground when there's only 2 wires. But I guess this had its own ground coming out. Sorry, I'm not looking through the lens. Oh, get right up in there. This has its own ground coming out, so I guess it wasn't that important. But that doesn't look very good either. That looks tarnished. Shouldn't that be copper? Or am I just automotive guy? I don't know. Well, I'll cut back, see if I can get a better piece. All right, tripod you up there. You can see what I'm doing. That would be nice, wouldn't it? I don't know if people care about this stuff. That's why I'm like, I don't know. They just want to see how I did it. So I'm just securing this metal clad MC cable to the junction box. This other one was loose too. I think it's the actual nut that needs to be tightened. Yeah, and I can do that with my pliers. I don't have my using automotive pliers, as you can see. Well, they're still electrical. They're for solid core wire and copper strand. See? Well, let's see if I can get this tight. All right, that's tight. That's in there. That one's in there. This used to be white. This is going to go there. We got the wire nuts somewhere. One here, one here. This will be the same. And maybe we'll even get the proper plate to put on this junction box. All right, you will be my eyes on this one. I just spent a long time vacuuming up here. Got all the plaster that was hanging on these ceiling tiles. Got this wiring sorted. Just turn the power back on. I want to see what. And I rewired this, so I eliminated the bottom switch. All right, this is why it's tough with tools that require a field. I was too close. So I had on, and I thought I had power here. No, it's just because it's too close to this. If I hold it up here, I get nothing. And same up top. Because that wire was, where are you? Same up top, because I was testing this wire when it was close to that wire up there. All right, so I've killed this. I don't like that delay, and I don't like that flickering. And look what it is. It's this top switch. It's kind of a, I wonder if I should move it to the bottom one. I don't remember there being a delay. It was just flickering as I played with this. Anyway, the thing I don't like is this. This is a junction basically now. I think it used to be the light fixture. But there's 1, 2, I think there's 4 things coming in and out of this thing. I don't know. I could clean it up, wire nut. I don't know if I have. Let me see what size wire nuts I got. Wrap that in tape, wire nutted the other one, and shoved it in the back. I got some large wire nuts here, but I don't know. They tell you what size wire and all that. I don't know if that's enough to stuff 4 wires into. Let's put it on the English side. Nope, Funzione. Both not English? Or, oh, okay, just read the bold. Yellow. Yada, yada, yada. I mean, I wouldn't even know the right way to fix this. You got 2 on each side going, so that must be completing a or carrying a circuit. 2 there. Making a little mini roll of electrical tape so I can get in there. This is a little automotive secret we do back in the day. That way you can get in tight places. Now you have a small roll of electrical tape. I like that they named it Hope. You know, this is nice. I hope this house doesn't catch on fire. Yeah, I think the goal is we're gonna cut the stack here, put in the junction. This must be a vent. I think this is a vent. And then the bath plumbing will come underneath all the structure and go over. I think that's the right thing to do, and I think that's what they're gonna want to do. All right, this has bothered me since I moved in the house. Take advantage, now that the electricity is off, get in here and clean all the years of someone's grubby fingerprints. I probably should just, I think I might just put a single outlet here anyway. I don't need the double. So this might just be my ADD. Fucking gross. It's gross, I tell ya. It's something I noticed looking at houses, like ones where you can tell like an old person lived there. You know, you can see an outline of the pictures on the wall still. Like this would be all dirt, like from them turning on the light, you know, never cleaning. Because, you know, they're elderly. But I don't know, I got friends' houses, you go in and see this stuff. It's like, ugh. Come on, man. Get the maid over there to clean this. The maid wouldn't even do this. I had so many apartments. Nope, not my job. Look at that. That's like brand new. Take the outlet cover too. Get this guy. These are cheap. Go to the dollar store, get new ones, you know? Look at that crap up there. Ugh. That was probably the bottom. And look at it all in here. Ugh. Gross. Alright. All cleaned up. And I remember shop vacs being good. I guess this thing couldn't even suck up stucco. I don't know. Maybe I'm just asking too much. Alright, got that box. Do I want to put the tiles back in? I don't know. Let's think about this. So now that it's clean up there, it shouldn't be so bad. Like, I was getting tons of spiders and cobwebs up there. It still could be. I mean, what? Could go back to that ceiling, put drywall up. No, I can't, because the plumbing's all gonna come way down here now. I think so. Yeah, I guess I'll put the panels back up. They're all clean, only broke one in the corner here. And then I gotta mop this floor, because it's still a mess in here.